you're losing your hair. And you don't even realize how fast it's killing your looks. Every strand that falls out is lowering your perceived status, your masculinity, your face value. But here's the truth. There is a way to regrow your hair permanently, not a gimmick, not another miracle shampoo. I'm about to show you 6 steps that attack the root cause of your hair loss, literally, and rebuild your hairline back stronger, denser, and sharper. So if you want your face to look more masculine, symmetrical, and youthful, don't skip a single second of this video. Everyone tells you DHE is the devil. That is the reason you're going bald. Wrong. The truth is DHE is what makes you a man. Completely blocking it kills your testosterone, your libido, and your jawline definition. If you're nuking your HE with random pills or saw palmetto supplements, you're castrating your aesthetics, control day, lower scalp, inflammation, improve circulation, and balance hormones naturally. Start using microneedling and low-level laser therapy. Leveling my recommended derma roller and lead comb in the description. Show a before-after of hair density with microneedling. Most guys treat hair loss like a chemical issue, but your follicles are starving without blood flow, your hair dies. No oxygen, no nutrients, no regrowth, but just a thinning crown and a receding frame that makes your face look older and weaker. Use scalp massages every night. Rave 5 minutes minimum. Do inverted poses or neck stretches to loosen tension around your scalp. You'll feel blood rush to your head. That's your follicles waking up. If you're stressed 24/7, you're literally pushing coitong into your scalp, and koi kills your follicles. Well, Elevate Chai Kong shrinks your hair density and raises oil production, making your scalp inflamed and greasy. Get sunlight daily, sleep 9 hours, and take magnesium glycinate. That combination lowers cult naturally and rebalances hormones. This isn't some mindfulness gimmick, it's biochemistry. You can't build strong hair out of weak nutrition. Low zinc, vitamin D, and ferritin levels equal sign hair that breaks, thins, and refuses to grow no matter what product you use. Your scalp can't build protein fibers without these minerals. Add a high-quality multivitamin, golanone, and Molson powder. I've linked my exact stack in the description, and it's the one I personally use. Show brittle versus thick hair fiber. Comparison. Most shampoos are just marketing. They don't cleanse your scalp, but they strip natural oils and trigger inflammation. Constant dryness leads to micro-scarring and weak follicles. Your hairline keeps receding even while you're trading it. Use a sulfate-free, gluconsatil-based shampoo twice a week. Alternate it with a moisturizing scalp serum on off days. You'll literally feel your scalp breathe again. Here's the real secret. Let your habits switch your genes on or off. Epigenetics is real. If you keep thinking you're genetically doomed, you'll stay average. That's the cope mentality of 99% of men. Treat your routine like a ritual. Microneedle, eat clean, sleep deep, stay consistent. Your hair doesn't regrow overnight but over months. It transforms you. Slow fade of before versus after face framing difference. And remember, the goal isn't just regrowth, it's full facial restoration. When your hairline returns, your confidence, symmetry, and energy follow. That's how you build the God face. If you're serious about rebuilding your hair, and your face, check the links in the description for my full hair restoration stack. Hit subscribe and stay tuned, because next I'm breaking down the hidden facial exercises that make your hairline look even sharper.